Children, all of you, please open your cameras. Very good, Paridhi Sharma. Zehra, Kanak, hurry up and open your cameras. Let's begin our class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Ready with your books?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon. All of you ready with your books?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Till where have we done? Till where have we done, beta? We were on chapter number 6, Lesson 6, Les Amis de Caroline. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
We are supposed to do the exercises of that chapter, isn't it? Yes. So how many exercises have you already done? How many exercises we've already done? Nobody knows. Nobody knows where we are. Huh? Okay. Let me see now. Let me open the book. Who is your class teacher, children?
Ma'am, Gaurav Dev Sharma, sir.
Ma'am, Gaurav Sharma, sir.
All right.
Ma'am, Gaurav Dev Sharma, sir.
Okay.
Ma'am, I still remember we used to have our classes in the smart class.
Yes, I also remember. And we used to listen to French songs and French rhymes, and we used to have so much fun. Yes.
And the common tutor one.
Yes, it was so good. That was my favorite. Okay. Anyways, now everybody open up page number 68 of your books. Opened up. The first exercise is compléter selon l'exemple donné. Compléter selon. Okay. Now, children, see, first of all, let me tell you, in your exams, now when you'll get questions, whatever the question will be, the question will be written in French only. So please learn these questions also by heart. Okay? How you will translate them in English and what you're supposed to do in a question, that will be given in French. Now, like here, complete as given in the example. Donner is given. Donner means given. Selon means like or as. Complete as the example given. This is what it means. Now, what we're supposed to do, the first one has been done for us. Elle est française, which means she is French, because we are using elle here. Elle means she. Now, everybody look up in the chat box. Okay, what is the meaning of elle? All of us know that elle means she, right? EST, what is EST? Is. And what is française? Française means, Française is what? Nationality, which means French. Is that
French.
what it is given? She is French. Now, what they have done, they have changed it into masculine gender. If I say she is French, how will you change it into masculine in English? What will it be in English? What will it be in English? She is French. In English, it will be he is French. She will get changed to, what will it be changed to?
He will, he.
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 She gets changed to he. Boy gets changed to girl.
Girl.
Man gets changed to
Ma'am, what?
man. Man gets changed
Ma'am,
to
woman.
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 Right? This is how we change everything. Like suppose I say he is a man. It will be she is a woman. We have to change every possible thing about which the gender can be changed. In French, nationalities also change with the gender. Now, in example, it is given Elle est française. What will it be changed into? It will be changed into il est français. Now see, look up in the chat box what I have done. When the sentence was in feminine gender, the spelling of française was different, but with masculine it is different. I have removed E in the end. Why? Because it is a rule. To change it into feminine, we add E. But in the masculine form, there is no E. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. The next one, Elle est japonaise. Elle est japonaise. Again, japonaise has got E in the end. So what will it be in masculine? Il est japonais. Correct? Now, the third one is given. Now, third one is, sorry, the second one according to the book, number 2 according to the book, is given a blank. And the answer is il est chinois. So what will come in this blank? Elle est chinoise. Everybody write it. Everybody do it in the book. Elle est chinoise. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes. Now, number 3. Number 3, it's given il est indien. So what will it be? Elle est indienne. Now, children, see, when the nationality is ending with N, right? The nationality ends with N. What we do, we double up the consonant and add E in the end. That is why it has become Indian. E-double-N-E. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So it becomes il est indien. Now coming on to the fourth point. Now see, it is already given in feminine, elle est italien. I want Paridhi Sharma to type the answer in the chat box of the fourth one, beta. What will it be in the masculine form? Now one by one, everybody's turn will come. The children who are having too much fun in the class, I can see, beta. I can see you all on camera. Hania, Parveen and Motsham Hussain.
Yes, ma'am.
Pay attention to your French class. Okay, pay attention in the class because you will get your turn to type the answer in the chat box. Paridhi Sharma. Beta, you typing it?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I don't have book, ma'am.
Okay, you don't have the book. Beta, then you should have asked for the PDF. See, I'm just clicking the picture of this page and sending on the class group.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
7th B, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
7th B and... But I have already solved it in my book. Anybody who can send whose answers are not written in the book? Zehra? Yes, beta, please hurry up and click a picture and send it on the class group.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, till then, who has the book? Nishika, beta, you've got your book?
No,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
am
Okay,
also
even you don't
not-
have. Beta, how do you pronounce your name? How do you speak your name? Mohtasham Hussain. What's your
Ma'am,
name?
Motasham. Ma'am,
Mohtasham.
Motasham.
Mohtasham. Okay. Do you have your book?
No, ma'am.
And what about Hania Parveen? Hania, you have your book? Yes?
No, ma'am.
No. So beta, you should have told me this in the beginning, no? At least you should have a PDF or something. How can you attend the class without the book? Let me know at least. Now when I'm asking you questions, you're saying I don't have the book. Last year you had French or not? Or all of you are new students in the class?
Ma'am, I am new.
You are new. I think Kanak is also new. Kanak, are you a
Yes,
new
ma'am.
student?
Ma'am, I am
Yes,
also
ma'am.
new.
Paridhi, you're also a
Ma'am.
new student.
Yes, ma'am.
And Hania Parveen?
Yes, ma'am.
So all newcomers are here in the class. Only Sania. Sania Alam, you're also new?
Yes, ma'am. And I don't have book.
All right. So only Zehra Ali is here, who is old. Mandhir Singh, show me your face. I don't know whether you're a new admission or old student. And Prapti Katyar, I think is an old student. Prapti, you're an old student, no?
Ma'am.
Yes. Okay, Zehra, have you sent it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now, newcomers, tell me, did you attend this previous class when I did these nationalities and country names with you? Were you there in the
Ma'am,
class?
Ma'am, I was there.
You were there. All right. So that means I have done it in the class. And those who were not there, beta, again, see, you have missed this stuff. There are so many concepts. When you learn a language, you can't really
Yes,
miss
ma'am. I also here.
out. Yes, you can't miss out on classes because these things are linked. You learn it and then you will use it in the chapters coming ahead. So you can't say that one class missed is just one class loss. No, it is a loss for a big time. How will you know the concepts if you keep missing your classes? Be regular in your French class. As it is in class 6, you have missed everything. You didn't have French. Now when you have, be regular. Okay? Now see, first of all, let me tell you, did I do subject pronouns with you all? What are subject pronouns? Have I done them? Yes or no? No. Looks like I have.
Ma'am, I don't remember.
Okay. Do you remember that je, tu, il, el? What is je? What is tu? All that, do you remember? Je stands for I. Tu stands for you. Il stands for he. L stands for she. Then nu stands for we. Vous stands for you all in plural form. And then I have ils, sorry, it is called ill only, which stands for they, masculine. And ELLES, which is called L, it stands for they and it is feminine. Write down all the newcomers, please write it down in your copies.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I've taken a screenshot of it.
Now see, if I want to say I am French, what will I say? What is I here? According to this table, what is the translation of I in French? Je.
I'm sure.
Je. So, je suis, français, je suis. Now in English also, we don't say I is Indian. What we say, I am Indian, right? He is Indian, she is Indian. Similarly, in French, is, the word is or the word to be is used in different ways. Okay. Now, one more thing, take a screenshot or write it yourself in your copies. If I want to say I am, it is je suis. If I want to say you are, it is tu es, il est, elle est.
Mama, still remember je suis une fille. Une fille.
From, huh?
Ma'am, je suis une fille. Ma'am,
Very nice. Je suis une fille. Very good. E-double-L-E. Yes. So, now see, you have to remember these things by heart. It should be on your fingertips. If I want to say, first of all, you need to, what you'll do is, all new students, you are going to learn subject pronouns today. I'll ask you what is the translation of we. You should know that it is nous. It should be on your fingertips. Have you seen on the table above? I have written we translates to nous. If I want to say we all, I'm talking about we all are Indians. So I will say nous sommes Indiens. Nous sommes Indiens. That means we are Indians. Isn't it?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, if I want to say for Paridhi Sharma, she is French, what will I say?
Ma'am,
What will
L.
L, very good. L. What is C? What I have written? EST. Yes. L-A.
L.
Call it L-A.
L-A.
Very good.
L-A.
Français. L-A. Français.
Français.
L-A. Français.
Français. Okay, Zara, better do one thing. Meanwhile, send the PDF of the whole chapter. Whole chapter in the...
whole 6th chapter?
Complete
Okay.
6th chapter on the class group so that these students can see the previous thing. Okay. Then suppose if I want to say you all are students. You all are students. What will I say for you all? Tell me. Look into the table that I have written.
Los.
Yes. For you all, what subject pronoun do we use?
Vous.
Vous. Very nice. Vous. And with vous, what will I use to say are? You are. Vous êtes. E-T-E-S is called et. So when we speak vous and et together, wait beta. When we speak vous and et together, it becomes vous êtes. What it becomes?
Vous êtes.
Vous êtes. Very good. Now, if I want to say you are students, okay? So the sentence students is élève. Élève. I will type in the chat box. But see, from my laptop, if I type, the accents are missing. We put accents on alphabet E in the word élève. Those are missing. Please ignore that part. Vous êtes des élèves. You are students.
Come on, E accent graph.
Yes, very nice. Vous êtes des élèves. This is the whole sentence, which means you are students. Beta, whatever I type in the chat box, you have to write each and everything in your French copy. So that when you study, you have whatever I have taught you. You can go through that. Don't miss out even a single thing. Because this is not just helping you out in this particular sentence. This sentence, each and every rule, each and every word of a sentence is going to help you to frame new sentences ahead. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down everything from je suis to a. Have you written this table?
Yes, ma'am.
I am, you are, he is, she is, we
Yes,
are,
ma'am.
you are. ILS is used for they. Suppose I'm talking about two boys. I'm talking about two boys and I don't want to take their name. I just want to say they are standing. Okay, or they are. Let's talk about nationality in this chapter. It is all about nationalities. If I want to say they are French, what will I use? I will use ils sont, ILS, because I'm talking about two boys. So what will I say? Let's say I will say they are Indians. Now see, in the sentence I have written ils sont indiens. They are Indians. I have changed the nationality Indians in plural. Why? Because I'm talking about more than one boy. See, if in English also I will say, I will not say they are Indian. I will say they are Indians. Isn't it? So in French also, we take care of these things. Now, suppose I want to talk about one boy who is Indian. What will I say? Il est indien. Now see in the chat box. Every word has changed.
Indian.
Yes, every word has changed. ILS has become IL. Song has become EST. Indians has become Indian. Okay? Now write these sentences and write down the English translation also of each and every sentence. Okay. Now if we talk about, I want to say we are we are Spanish. We are Spanish. So what I have done, I will use nous sommes espagnol. Nous sommes espagnol. Yes.
And this is NS.
Yes.
And this is, ma'am, can you repeat the sentence in French?
Nous sommes espagnol. This is how you.
Zespano.
Nous sommes. See, the word is nous sommes. But this sommes, the last S of sommes, is being preceded by a vowel. Espanol is starting with alphabet E, which is a vowel. So what I taught you this thing, that we carry forward the liaison, that we carry forward the sound of the consonant with the vowel. I taught you, remember? So that is why it will be nous sommes espagnol. Nous sommes espagnol. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Sanya, beta, are you getting it?
Ma'am, I wonder what is the meaning of Espons?
Espanol is French, Spanish nationality. See, in the Zehra, have you sent this thing? The PDF?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, please check up in your class groups. Everybody open that chapter and come to page number 67. Now see, on page number 67, there is a table given on the top. Les nationalités, right? In this, the country names are given. Country names are called le pays. That is the countries. Now, if I take names of countries in English language also, I will call them India, France, China, Japan, like that. And if I call them in Hindi mein the names are different. Bharat, China, right? In every language, these country names change. So in French, now they have given the country names in English and in French. Now you have to learn these country names by heart. Okay. What you
Okay,
can do
ma'am.
is, children, see, since you have joined after 1 year, like you are already 1 year late. So I would rather suggest you to take a little help of Google for translation and all, because in these classes you just get one period in the whole week. We can't cover up the previous syllabus also, right? So you have to take help of Google and you have to go through all these things for just pronunciation and translation. And if at all you get stuck anywhere in any concept or anything, I'm always there to help you out. Okay, you can send me your WhatsApp audios. I will help you out on that. Is that fine? Now see. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we see these country names. I will just read them out before you. La France, l'Angleterre. I'm not reading out the English names, beta. Okay? You have a look at both of them.
Yeah.
Look into your books, everyone. Look into the PDF. La France, l'Angleterre, le Portugal, l'Allemagne, la Japon, la Chine, les États-Unis, l'Espagne, l'Italie, l'Inde, Algérie, l'Arabie Saoudite, and Le Pakistan. These are French names of the countries. Now, person belonging to these countries, the nationalities are given on the right hand side. The nationalities always are written according to the gender of the noun. If we are talking about a boy, we will write the masculine nationality. If we are talking about girl, we will write a feminine nationality. And if we are talking in plural, wherein it is a group of boys and girls both, what we do in that case, we write masculine plural nationality. Is that clear? Don't get confused when it is a group of boys and
Yes,
girls.
ma'am.
If it is only girls, we'll write feminine plural. If it is only boys, we will write masculine plural. And if it is boy and girl both in a group, then also we give dominance to masculine nationality. Clear?
Okay.
Now, I wrote these subject pronouns on the top, right? Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, ils, elles. Nous, vous, il, elle. Now, suppose I want to talk about my mother and my sister. Which subject pronoun am I going to use? I'm going to use
Feminine.
feminine. Very good, because I'm talking about two
feminine.
females. But if I'm talking about my father and my mother, both the genders are there. So which subject pronoun am I supposed to use?
Masculine.
Masculine.
So which one will come? From the table, just see and tell me, the new students. Which subject pronoun is appropriate in that case? Yes, Sanya, make a guess. No problem if it is wrong. Paridhi, Nishika, Hanya, Kanak. Yes, make a guess. Which subject pronoun will come if I say my father and my mother? I'm using for a male and a female. They are having tea. They are drinking tea. Which subject pronoun will I use in that case? They, for they, which one will I use? Yes, Paridhi?
Else.
L, spell it out, beta. Tell me the spelling.
I'm spelling.
Yes, spelling.
ELLES.
Okay. But I said I'm talking about my father and my mother both. My father is masculine, my mother is feminine gender. So when we use both the genders together, we give dominance to which gender?
They.
No, they. They is correct. But how will we translate they here in this case where I have both the genders included?
Ma'am, I think ILS.
Yes, it is ILS. If I'm talking about my mother and my sister, I will use ELLES. If I'm talking about my brother and my father, I will use ILS. But if I'm talking about my parents are going, they are sitting, they are sleeping. So what will I use in that they? In that case, I will use ILS. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now let's move on to page number 68. Everybody look into the PDF. Now we were on sentence number 4. What is sentence number 4? L.A. Titalian. L.A. Titalian. Now what will be the answer of it? L will change to?
She.
No, L will change to, I have to, yes, it means, L means she. She is Italian.
Italian.
Now we have to make it, he is Italian. How will I write it?
Ma'am, sorry.
Now I have to write, he is Italian. According to this table, no? According to the question given in the book, we have to
L.
take,
IL.
yes.
IL.
IL, very good.
IL.
Yes.
Il ends.
Il A, EST is called
Il.
A. Il A.
Il A.
You can tell me the spelling. If there is a problem in pronouncing it, no problem. Just tell me the spelling of the nationality. Look into the book, beta.
Il
ऐसे देख के बोल लो. Yes?
Il as Italian.
Very nice. Very good. Now see in the chat box, I have written Il est Italien. Italian, sorry. Italian. Il est Italien. Then next, number 5. What is number 5? Il est portugais. Now, il est portugais. What will it be if we want to change it? It becomes... Okay, Paridhi, now you tell. Children, I am giving you 2 minutes. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes. Just try to solve this exercise on your own. Okay, take 2 minutes. Take the help of the previous pages of the PDF to solve it. Okay, don't get confused. You'll be able to do it, I'm sure. Take a copy and a pencil in your hand. All right? And just try to solve these 10 sentences.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, are you being able to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, what about other new students? I'm really worried for you all.
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing.
Ma'am, I'm also doing.
Very nice, very good. And don't hesitate if you have any problem. You can ask me as many times.
Ma'am, but what to do?
What to do? What were you doing all this while when I was explaining? You don't know, beta, which exercise is to be done?
Yes, ma'am, I know you have sent the book PDF, but I am saying what we have to write in notebook.
Notebook, I'm telling you that you solve this in a notebook, no? How will you do it when you don't have your book? Do it in a notebook, take a pen, take this thing in your hand, take your copies and do this exercise number 1 in the copy. Take help of the previous pages of the PDF, okay? In this PDF, you've got everything, no? All nationalities, every translation, so that is going to help you out. Ultimately, I'm going to send you the answer of it. Don't worry. I will send it on the D group, the solution, but I want you to do it. How will you be able to do it in exams?
Ma'am, on the 8th one.
Very nice, very good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, which exercise doing in copy?
Beta, the
And which
first
exercise do? Ma'am,
First
only
one.
first one?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.